Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. In this video, I demonstrate what I had previous, what I had uploaded the previous video. That is the jump statement. So here now the demonstration of that one. So I will make you understand it completely by way of theoretically and also as well as the practically. So if you wanted to learn more about this, if you want more about the content is you want to learn more about this kind of things, so you have to subscribe and share this video. Make sure to like that video. So here now the first program of the jump statement is the break statement. As I told you earlier, the word consists of the break. It also gives the meaning break. What does the meaning stand for the break? That is the same thing and also the programming. So I want you to watch carefully what I do here. I just want for loop for the word is nothing but the variable in the jump statement. Let's say about that jump statement statement. Okay, ended with the quotation and with the colon. I entered here and I wanted to implement the if statement here. If word equals to here 2 equals to represent the conditional operator, equals to e. Okay, let's say word equals to e, t. Okay, word equals to t. As I told you earlier in the theoretical part, that if it comes to t, it will end the program. That is the jump up to t, it will print it. If it comes to t, it will break the program. So let's say break as the keyword of the statement break. I just wanted to print that word with n equals to that number, the year. That is we did in the if statement, ended with the parenthesis, and I just wanted to enter here. As I told you that when it comes to t, it will end the program and print it till t. Clear, guys? This is how the break statement works. And now we move on to next topic, that is the continue statement. Continue statement is not that much used, but let's say what does the continue statement stands for. Here I wanted to take as the same as the last previous program, the word key word, the variable word n. Let's change the statement, that is continue statement. Continue statements. Okay, ended with double quotes and also the colon. If, as I told you earlier, word equals to because the conditional operator is equals to. Let's say yay. Started with double quotes and out ended with double quotes with the colon. Also here, as I told you earlier in the program, continue. That is in the previous program we wrote break. In this program we are writing for continue statement, so we are writing the continue word, the keyword. Continue print the word also the end of the program, which is the word I have given there, that is the a value, also with the single double quotes, single quotes here. Okay, here now it printed completely. The complete statement is printed completely. So I just wanted to move on to the pass statement. Here now I just wanted to make sure that like the same way I wanted to do here. So just wanted to print pass statements with colon. If word has the same has the same procedure, the word equals to the is p. Let's say p itself, the starting value of the program, that is the word pass statement. I ended with colon, and I just wanted to pass print out the statement word with and equals to. Here how that works. Here now it completely printed the statement. So here's how the pass statement works. So thank you guys for being with me. Stay tuned for more updates, this kind of videos. Thank you guys.